Hey everyone, welcome to this video. So today I'm going to be going over list of campaigns that I pulled using Python from the API for Amazon PPC. So basically I pulled a list of the campaigns from an account. I'm just going to go over the data, review it, show you what I'm doing. So here is the call. So here's what I had to do, long story short. Here's the information I had to give Amazon. I had to give them a token, ID, seller ID. I had to give them all of this information here. Had to give them all of this information here. And then I had to use, an endpoint, and then I printed it out. I used a special module to make it look good. And then down here is where you will see the output of the list of campaigns that was printed. So it's all down here. So I'm just going to go over the attributes of this and maybe even play around with pulling different stuff. So we see here that so we have budget. Okay, so there's budget, and then nested within budget is the actual number. So this is a key. All right, and then this is the actual budget, $12. This is the budget type, which is daily. All right, campaign ID. Dynamic bidding is right here. So placement bidding, which is blank. And then strategy is legacy for sales. So that is the strategy, the bid dynamic bid strategy. The name of the campaign, the portfolio ID, the start date of the campaign, the state of the campaign. This one is archived. And then any tags, and then the targeting type, which is manual. Cool. All right, cool. Campaigns. And I could probably pull like for example, if I put in here, let's say I wanted to pull the budget, 0. Well, I won't do that. We'll do that later. I'll do that on another one. But I know this one was quick, but this is my second successful. Well, not second. I've been making a few calls, but this is my third or fourth successful, pulling the data from Amazon and using Python and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool. Very excited. Very, very excited. Hope you enjoyed this video. And now it's time to start figuring out. I think I might read, what's next steps? Probably reading more about what I can access, what I can do with things, and maybe even making some changes, making some adjustments in the campaigns or bids, stuff like that. Maybe. We'll see. I'm going to learn more about it. And yeah, that's the video for today. Until next time.